In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot HFM Markets app. If you are experiencing any issue with your app, you can't trade, or some features are not functioning, or maybe the app is too slow, or it keeps on stopping or crashing, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you need to take to fix this. First, we need to access the HFM app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info or a settings gear here, or the name of the app. If you tap on it, you will be taken to HFM Markets app info page. Alternatively, you can access this through settings. So if you just go to settings, look for apps, and then manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From this, search for your app by name. So I'll search for HFM, it is, and you can see I'm on the app info page. First, go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. Okay, and again clear all data like that. Now you need to restart your smartphone, and now everything should be okay. However, if you still can't use the app, then you need to check if we have any update through Google Play Store or App Store and update to the latest version. But should you still have your app crashing, for that it means your app contains bugs. You will need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. And once you're done, now you can open your app and the issue will be fixed. As you can see, now I'm able to open and use my app. So that's how you can troubleshoot HFM Markets app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.